So we divide the given polynomial p of x by the polynomial that is d of x. X cubed times what is x to the fifth. So we look at the first term, make sure that we write the polynomial in decreasing order of degrees, exponents. So the x cubed term is missing, so we write a 0 just to remind ourselves that the x cubed is missing. Now x cubed times x to the second power is x to the fifth. So we do the multiplication. X cubed times x squared is x to the fifth. Negative x times x squared is negative x cubed. 2 times x squared is positive 2x squared. So now we subtract. So subtraction is the same as changing the signs and then adding the expressions. Remember, we can only add like terms. So for example, you cannot add an x to the fourth. You cannot combine these two terms. That's not possible. You can only combine an x cubed, for example, plus 3x cubed, but you cannot combine an x to the fourth and an x cubed. So now that's why we are lining them up as like terms. So now that we've changed the signs, all we have to do is add. So we have 2x squared plus x cubed minus x to the fourth, and this is a 0. Next, we need to get rid of the term negative x to the fourth. So x cubed times what is negative x to the fourth power. So x cubed times negative x is negative x to the fourth. So x cubed times negative x is negative x to the fourth power, and then we do the same thing. We multiply basically x cubed minus x plus 2 by negative x. So next we multiply negative x with a negative x, which is positive x squared, and then 2 times negative x, which is negative 2x. So we line it up with the negative x here. Now we subtract, which means we change the sign and then add the two expressions. So this becomes a 0. We have an x cubed plus x squared plus x, and then of course plus 4. Next, we need to get rid of the x cubed, so we add 1, because x cubed times 1 is x cubed. Negative x times 1 is negative x, so the negative x has to be written here. And 2 times 1 is positive 2. Now we subtract. Subtraction is first changing the signs and then adding. So we have 0 here, x squared plus 2x. 4 minus 2 is 2. So this is the remainder, because we have no more terms left. We've used all the terms, and as long as the degree of the remainder, whatever we get here, is less than the degree of the divisor, in which case, in this case, it is x cubed, we know we have to stop the division process. So now x to the fifth minus x to the fourth plus 4x squared minus x plus 4 is equal to x cubed minus x plus 2 times the quotient x squared minus x plus 1 plus the remainder x squared plus 2x plus 2. So if this is d of x, then this is the quotient. What we get here is the quotient q of x, and plus this whole thing is r of x.